Welcome to Maths on Radio, a program catalyzed and supported by National Council for Science and Technology Communication, Department of Science and Technology, New Delhi.
सोचो सीखो बोलो बदलो सोचो सीखो बोलो बदलो चमका दो दुनिया को जीत लो इस जहां को
सोचो सीखो बोलो बदलो सिर्फ मैथ्स ऑन रेडियो के साथ 107.8 FM मस्ट रेडियो पर
कहते हैं कि दोस्त शून्य की तरह होते हैं। वैसे तो उनकी कीमत समझती नहीं, लेकिन जिससे जुड़ जाते हैं उनकी कीमतें बढ़ा देते हैं। ऐसे ही सभी दोस्तों के लिए मस्ट रेडियो लाया है मैथ्स ऑन रेडियो सीजन 2।
हेलो, हाय, खुशामदीद। मैं हूँ आपकी आरजे स्वाति और आप सुन रहे हैं 107.8 मस्त रेडियो। यस फ्रेंड्स, वी आर बैक हियर विथ मैथ्स ऑन रेडियो सीजन 2। मैथ, जी हाँ, कुछ याद आ रहा है हल्का सा? स्कूल में कभी एक सब्जेक्ट हुआ करता था जिससे कोई डरता था और कोई बहुत इंजॉय करता था। मुझे याद है मेरे कुछ फ्रेंड्स थे जो इक्वेशंस में डूबे रहते थे और उसको सॉल्व करते रहते थे दिन भर। उसमें पता नहीं उनको क्या मजा आता था, लेकिन वही मैं थी जो सोचती थी कि क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन, सिंपल इक्वेशन, वेरिएबल्स, ओ माय गॉड, इट वाज सच अ टॉर्चर एंड आई कुड नेवर फिगर आउट कि इसका यूज क्या होता है। So yes, ax² plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Where do I apply it in my real life? So yes, we have found answers और आज मैं उन्हीं आंसर्स को शेयर करने के लिए आपके लिए लेकर आई हूँ हमारे मैथमेटिशियन डॉक्टर विवेक पाटकर।
Hello friends, welcome back to another episode of Maths on Radio Season 2. Once again, I am with Dr. Vivek Patkar, our mathematician, who has done a lot of research, at the same time written a lot of books, and also worked in various agencies where actual applications of mathematics were there, and he keeps on sharing his experiences with us. Dr. Patkar, this time we have a special request from our listeners, because we have been getting a lot of feedback on our Facebook page, also through our testimonials, and many students who gave us testimonials that they did not like mathematics specifically mentioned after a lot of frustration which came out, saying that ki, for example, what is the use of quadratic equations in my life? It is not necessary. Kyun sikhate humko? Because they may be having some problems with the quadratic equation. So why not dedicate this episode to them and try and explain our listeners about quadratic equations and their applications.
Very good. Quadratic equations, really speaking, quadratic equation is a turning point, as I see in mathematics graduation.
Really? Okay.
Understanding of mathematics, because most of the time we deal with what is called linear mathematics.
Correct.
Simple equation, y is equal to mx plus c in coordinate geometry,
right,
or ax plus by.
Simple.
And then you solve them,
and you
simultaneous answers of 2 variables, 3 variables, like that. But now these are of degree 1, linearity means like that.
Okay.
Now we are getting into non-linear mathematics.
Once you talk about quadratic.
Quadratic means 1. So instead of power 1, your variable will have power 2.
2. Okay.
So it is not linear. it is coming into non-linear mathematics.
Okay.
And now 2 or 25 or
It can
100 is all non-linear mathematics.
Okay.
So, now we are shifting from linear to non-linear
Non-linear.
mathematics. So that's why I call it a turning point in mathematics graduation like that. But it is also very simple,
Okay.
if you understand its logic and its applications, it is very marvelous thing like
Okay.
that. And the standard quadratic equation is called ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Perhaps
Correct.
this people will remember as quadratic
Ax square plus bx
x plus c equal to 0.
This is a
This is standard form quadratic equation. So we have got only one variable x.
correct.
So highest power is 2,
2.
1 and 0,
Zero.
like that, and a, b, c are the coefficients like
Okay.
that. Now we can have more complicated. We can have two variable quadratic equation. Then there will be ax square plus
by plus
by square,
okay.
like
something
that.
of that
So
sort.
like, but
ठीक है.
we'll confine only to first
For the
degree
timing.
one variable quadratic equation like
Yes.
that. And now, okay, how to solve them? Perhaps they may be doing mechanically. You factorize them or you use that formula x is equal to minus b plus minus
Correct.
b square 4a under root divided by 2a.
Yes. For
like-
example, maybe these were the steps they did not listen to and they did not understand or they were not taught.
appreciate like it. But no, they may be knowing how to get this answer, but they don't understand why all this thing was done in the first place like that.
Some student में से इतना मगजमारी क्यों करने का?
Now see what happened. Like in many subjects, mathematics is used for two things. Mathematics in mathematics
Okay.
means advancing mathematics or some other area of mathematics or higher level of mathematics.
Right.
And other is use of mathematics in other areas of application, maybe other subjects or even day-to-day work.
Like in some of our earlier episodes, you mentioned about the FSI or its use of math in literature.
Yes,
indexing.
like that. So let us look at the application of quadratic equations from both these angles.
Okay.
They will understand why I am trying to live.
Okay.
Let us take again from number theory,
Uh-huh.
application of quadratic equation in mathematics.
Okay,
like that.
initially. Chalo.
Now, suppose we want to find out two consecutive odd numbers
Uh-huh.
whose product is 195.
Consecutive odd numbers, that
Yeah.
means with 3, 5, 5, 7
Yeah.
odd numbers,
Yeah.
but the product should be,
Their multiplications should give 195.
okay, it's a problem now.
Problem.
ठीक है.
Yeah. Now, see how we do. We assume x to be first
Uh-huh.
odd number.
ठीक है.
So what will be the next odd number? X plus 2.
2.
Because there has to be gap of 2.
2.
So what our answer should be? X multiplied by x plus 2 equal to 195.
95.
Simple.
Correct.
Now if you open this, what you get?
X square plus 2x is equal to
195. Or you bring out 195 this side.
X square plus 2x minus
So 195 is equal to 0. Now ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0.
Correct.
This is a quadratic equation.
Correct.
Now see, very simple thing we wanted to do, but you have gone into non-linear mathematical quadratic equation.
Correct.
Now you can solve this,
Uh-huh.
and what happens? You get the answer,
I'll have to do a bit of factorization here.
or I will just do it for you. The answer is minus 13 minus 15,
Uh-huh.
or 13 and 15.
Okay.
Now see, this is the beauty of quadratic equations.
Uh-huh.
You are getting choices, not only one answer.
But you have two answers. Right.
Minus 13, minus 15, when we multiply, minus become plus,
Plus.
and 13 into 15 195.
95.
And if you take both the positive
Till
integers,
you get 195. Okay.
so no, see, this is what I'm saying. It is opening up your thinking also. Quadratic equation is not only giving you one solution in that sense,
It's
it can
providing
give
you options also.
options also. Sometimes they may be same,
Okay.
but you will be getting more than one thing.
One thing.
Yeah, like that.
Right.
So there are many such applications. Mathematics, I will not. Now let us go to say applications of carpentry. Suppose,
Okay.
suppose a carpenter for a hotel, he was told that we have got this much area, etc., etc. So we want to accommodate coffee tables or tea tables like that.
Uh-huh.
Its area should be 10 square meter.
The area. Okay.
Table area should be 10 square meter because we want to accommodate many more tables like that.
Uh-huh.
And the length should exceed its width by 3 meters.
Length should exceed the width by 3
3
meters.
meters. Because they found that 2 chairs can be put, 4 chairs can
Four
be put
chairs
like
can be-
that.
okay,
So
correct,
that
correct.
was their apprehension that length should be more than the width by
Breadth.
3 meters.
Okay.
Now same thing, you assume width to be W.
Uh-huh.
So length will be W plus 3.
Correct.
So W into W plus 3 equal to 10.
Right. I just repeat that once again for our listeners.
Yes.
Width is equal to
W, let us assume.
W. The length will be
W plus 3.
plus 3, correct?
Yeah. Now you multiply because you want to know area.
Correct.
Which is should be equal to 10
10.
square meter.
Barabar.
So if you open, what will be the quadratic equation? W square
Haan.
plus 3W
Haan.
minus 10 equal to 0.
Correct.
Now if you solve it, what you get? You get W equal to minus 5
Okay.
or W is equal to 3.
Or 3.
Now, do you have got minus 5
You can
acceptable?
have a table like that.
Minus is negative sense is not there. So you have to drop that solution.
Okay.
You have to take width as 3.
3. But
And
then your
length will be
plus 3. So your table will be 6 by 3.
no.
Interesting.
No, width is 2, no?
Okay,
Two-
okay, I'm
two plus
sorry,
three.
I'm sorry.
2 plus 3, 5.
2
So
plus
it is
5.
10.
Correct, correct.
So understand now.
Correct, 10 square meter.
Now you got another insight that although mathematically you get the solutions to different things,
Correct.
practically you
can
cannot
use only one.
Only one.
But still
In mathematics, that example you could use both.
both, correct.
But in practice, here you cannot. So now this is how the insight of mathematics. After all, what is this equation is representing? It is representing a mathematical model of some phenomena.
Right.
Real phenomena we
Correct.
capture in abstract fashion
Mhm.
and convert it as use mathematical method and try to interpret it.
Interpret it,
So
right.
this is how mathematical modeling works in practice like
Correct,
that.
correct.
So we develop simple models first, then complicate them and all like that.
And because of computer, it helps you compute much higher
Like that. So-
complicated matters.
So you get now this is the problem which you will face for finding a dimension of your field, for fencing,
Right.
painting the walls. Variety of
Problem.
applications are there.
Correct.
Same thing you can use this like that. No, simple compound interest.
Okay.
Like
Again, there is.
say your principal was 500, capital was 500 rupees, and you got the amount after 2 years at 572.45.
Okay.
And you were told that this was compounded at a compound interest rate of R.
R.
Now what was that R?
Okay, we have to find out.
So what the simple formula is? Amount equal to principal into 1 plus rate square. No, this is the
Correct.
compound rate. So 572.45 equal to 500 into 1 plus R, which we want to find out. 1
Right.
plus R whole square.
Okay, 1 plus R the whole square.
Now here, if you open again you will get quadratic, but perhaps here you just take square root of both sides and you
And
can
end
get
of the
like
matter,
that. So
correct.
R comes to be 7%.
Oh.
So understand, so your compound rate interest can also be
Represented as a quadratic equation.
like that. So
Okay.
I'm telling you different applications
Applications.
areas
Right.
like that. Now again walking distance, very interesting thing.
Uh-huh.
See, we have got 2 points A and B.
Uh-huh.
Now authorities have paved it in L shape.
Okay.
Means A you go straight
And then you
turn
Right.
perpendicular and reach B, and there is a lawn.
Okay.
Now students as they are,
Uh-huh.
they go diagonally.
Across.
So if you go along L, you have to travel 200 meters.
Okay.
But they found that if they treat the lawn, they reach by traveling 150 meters.
50 meters.
So what were those two lengths of L?
The pavement length was there.
Right, like that.
Okay.
So now here you have got, suppose X is 1 R,
Uh-huh.
so other will be 200 minus X.
Correct.
And if you join straightway diagonal of that right angle triangle,
It is addition.
so it is 150.
Okay.
Given, na?
Correct. Right.
Diagonal
right.
it is.
Diagonal is 150.
Yeah. So now now you can use Pythagoras theorem,
Exactly.
right? So X square
Uh-huh.
plus 200 minus X square
Uh-huh.
should be equal to 150 square.
Correct. That's the Pythagoras theorem.
Pythagoras theorem.
Right.
Now you
Open
what is
up.
this? These are all quadratic
X square
equations.
plus-
So it is big equation. X 2x square minus 400x plus 17,500
Correct.
equal to 0.
Right.
Now you get two values of x, 135.4 or 64.6.
Okay.
So one part of L shape could be either of them, other will be remaining.
Remaining.
part. So whatever be like that. So here it is not making a difference. It will not happen every time.
Correct.
Remember like that. So no, seemingly very simple phenomena you can use to find out a dimension of that pavement. You
or a
want
particular place or a
place
garden or
like
a
that. So
particular.
like that.
Oh.
Another example, let us take from office work.
Huh.
You have got Xeroxing machine
Okay.
like that, and you want to print some report
Huh.
like that. Now you were told that experience shows that one machine takes slightly longer time from the other machine,
Huh.
say by 12 minutes.
Okay.
say 100-page report, if you put it like that, like that. Now, both the reports, machines were used to report Xerox one report, and it took 8 minutes.
Okay.
So, what are the rates of Xeroxing for both machine individually?
Right. Because one may take slightly more on the average.
But how much?
Exactly.
Like that. So, this is the time and motion studies.
Correct.
Like that. So, suppose T is the time taken by machine A. So, other machine takes T plus 12. 12.
Correct.
To complete one job. So, 1 unit will be 1 by T into 8 plus 1 by T plus 12.
Correct.
Whole multiplied by 8 equal to 1. Whole work was finished.
Correct.
Now if you open it up, it will be again a quadratic equation. It will be something like this: T square minus 4T minus 96 equal to 0.
Okay.
And now its solutions are T is equal to 12 or T is equal to minus 8.
So in this case, minus 8 will not
again apply like that.
So 12 is the
one time. So other machine will take 24 because it's like that.
Correct, because it's plus 12.
So now you got that this machine, the speed is 12 and is 20. So now this is used in many of the job scheduling activities.
Correct.
How teams are to be formed, because each worker's speed may be different.
Efficiency may be different.
So what is the best combination team? So simple quadratic equation plays very important part in this kind of calculation.
Amazing.
Another application is biology.
Okay.
Some battle were tested for their oxygen consumption at certain air temperature. Data shows like that. If temperature was 10 degrees centigrade, they consumed what is called 80 microliters per gram per hour.
Okay.
If the temperature was 15, consumption is 127 macroliters, 20 198 and 25 290.
Okay.
Now, if you plot the graph, it follows a curve whose equation is consumption C is equal to 0.45 T square plus 1.65 T plus 50.75.
Okay.
Where the T will lie between 10 and 25.
Okay.
Because we have taken only these 4 points. So, if you plot those points, a parabolic equation is formula is like this. Now, you want to know if the consumption is 150, what would have been room temperature?
Correct.
So C is equal to 150. Put this in this equation, bring 150 that side, so make it equal to 0. Solve this, you will get T is equal to 16.8 degrees centigrade.
Oh,
understand?
Very interesting. Very interesting.
Many studies of bacteriology and many of these things involve these kind of functions. They are all quadratic functions.
And the base is where in the school in the quadratic equations.
like that. Even in food technology, bacteria, how they develop, variety of things.
Correct. Or the rate at which they may develop or they duplicate.
Yes,
or for example in diseases, or how to probably take care of the medicinal part of it.
Right. So, quadratic equations are very pervasive, like that. So, and basic, the equation of motion, S is equal to ut plus half at square. S is distance.
Correct.
U is your initial velocity.
Right.
T is time. A is acceleration. This is coming from law of gravitation and like that. So this is again a quadratic equation.
Correct.
S is equal to ut plus half. Now this is used in following the trajectory of tennis ball and many things.
Right.
So so the coaches really take down those videos and use these kind of equations. And so at what height the ball would have been at this time.
Correct.
So when should have been hit. All those nuances of tennis playing, etc. follow this quadratic equation calculations like that.
Unbelievable. The applications are numerous.
So you just think first how to solve it is mechanical part, but its applications are wide.
Right.
So if you understand its application, you start relishing it.
Right. I think request to teachers would be, if they are listening to our program.
Yes.
Probably take some simple applications and just I can understand syllabus completion is also.
No, but one or two in a class is easily possible.
Yes, and that will actually help a lot of these students to understand the equations much
better.
And
give them some assignment like this.
Right.
Give that L-shaped figure, compute it. or carpet.
And then accordingly do that.
Like that. So let them construct the mathematics themselves. That is what constructivism part like that.
Absolutely. Wonderful. So I think these answers are queries from the students who actually were frustrated with something like quadratic equations.
No.
But they will start loving it right now.
Because quadratic equation is starting point. The basic figures of mathematics in geometry are based on only quadratic.
Equation.
See, x square plus y square is equal to c. Circle formula is quadratic.
Okay.
X square upon a square plus y square b square equal to 1 ellipse.
It's a quadratic.
Y square is equal to 4ax. Now two variables, but secondary equation parabola.
Again a quadratic.
X square upon a square minus y square upon b square equal to 1 hyperbola. These are the basic things of geometry. All are non-linear and second degree. So quadratic equation, if you really understand and are confident, then you can travel through geometry, solid geometry and all other things very easily. And I think you will enjoy it.
Absolutely. That is the basic idea behind these programs. You should start enjoying mathematics, even if you don't want to, but that will help you in your life. Thank you very much, Dr. Patkar, for talking about quadratic equations specifically today. And we'll certainly catch up with you with some more topics.
There are cubic equations, quintic equations.
Yes, and we'll go on and on and on. Thank you very much.
Yes, thank you.
डरना नहीं है हमें मैथ्स से, आगे बढ़ना है मैथ्स में। डरना नहीं है हमें मैथ्स से, आगे बढ़ना है मैथ्स में। तो आओ मैथ्स सीखे हम, तो सुने मैथ्स ऑन रेडियो। परेशानी है कैलकुलेशन से, परेशानी है थ्योरम से, अरे परेशानी है हमें मैथ से। तो आओ सुने हम मैथ्स ऑन रेडियो। डरना नहीं है हमें मैथ्स से, आगे बढ़ना है मैथ्स में। डरना नहीं है मैथ्स में, आगे बढ़ना है मैथ्स में। तो आओ मैथ्स सीखे हम, 107.8 FM पर, हाँ FM पर। तो सुने मैथ्स ऑन रेडियो।
जैसा कि मैंने पहले भी कहा कि हम में से बहुत सारे लोग थे जो मैथ्स से डरते थे, शायद आज भी डरते हैं। यस, द फियर ऑफ मैथ्स। तो उसके लिए आज हम बात करेंगे अपनी दोस्तों से, पूजा, मोनिका और नम्रता से। वो बताएंगे कि उनको मैथ्स से इतना डर लगता क्यों है, व्हाट आर द रीजंस बिहाइंड देयर फियर।
Hi, this is Pooja Pawar from MACJ, and the reason I don't like maths is because of his huge lengthy theorems, tables and trigonometry.
Hello, this is Monica Mishra from MSEG department of Mumbai University. I stay in Parel, and my reason I hate maths because of its formula. I hate to mug up the things. Then another one is the steps with number 1, number 2 and all. And I just hate maths. That's it. Thank you.
Hi, I am Namrata Prabhu. I am from MACJ department in Mumbai University, and the reason why I do not like maths is because I feel I have a phobia against it. I feel I learn the entire theory, theorems and formulas, but when it comes to going to the exam and actually producing it, I get nervous, and in that nervousness I forget what I write. So I think that's what is my main issue.
प्रफुल, वो वाइडी मेलिसा जेके को मैथ पढ़ा रही है। मुझे तो मैथ का मतलब भी नहीं पता। प्रफुल, मैथ मतलब?
मैथ हंसा, वो मेरे ऑफिस के शिंदे भाव की बीवी शिंदे भाव के शर्ट का बटन टूटने पे क्या बोलती है?
वो तो ऐसे कहती है, ओ बाबा तुम्ही ना थांबा, मी आत येऊन लावते। मियात, ओ बाबा मियात।
अब प्रफुल और हंसा को मैथ सिखाना हमारे बस की बात नहीं, पर आप सब लोगों के लिए हम ला रहे हैं सुबह 9 बजे, दोपहर 1 बजे एंड शाम को 7 बजे मैथ्स ऑन रेडियो। सुनते रहिए मस्त रेडियो 107.8।
So this was our Maths on Radio Season 2. अब आप लोग बताइए कि आपको ये एपिसोड कैसा लगा? क्या चीजें थी जो बहुत पसंद आई? क्या चीजें थी जो हम इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं? क्या चीजें हैं जो आप सुनना चाहेंगे इस शो पे? जी हाँ, और इसके लिए आप हमें लिख सकते हैं radiomust@gmail.com पर। आप हमारे FB पेज, जी हाँ फेसबुक पेज पे भी सुन सकते हैं, सारे अपडेट्स दे सकते हैं कि व्हाट ऑल इज कमिंग अप इन दिस शो। साथ में हमारा एक वेबसाइट है विच इज कॉल्ड mustradio.in। जी हाँ, mustradio.in, mustradio.in। इस वेबसाइट पर आप चेकआउट कर सकते हैं, जो शोज आपने मिस आउट कर दिए हैं उनका पॉडकास्ट सुन सकते हैं। सो यस फ्रेंड्स, प्लीज 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 लेट अस नो योर फीडबैक, और दैट विल कीप अस मोटिवेटेड एंड कीप अस गोइंग।
अरे नोबिता, क्या हुआ? तुम रो क्यों रहे हो?
डोरेमोन, मुझे मैथ्स में बहुत सारा होमवर्क मिला है, लेकिन मैथ्स मुझे बिल्कुल भी समझ में नहीं आता है। अब मैं क्या करूँगा डोरेमोन? मुझे टीचर कल क्लास में मारेगी। मैं मार नहीं खाना चाहता हूँ डोरेमोन, मुझे बचा लो प्लीज, मेरी मदद करो।
शांत हो जाओ नोबिता, इसमें इतनी घबराने वाली कौन सी बात है? तुमने सुना नहीं, मस्त FM पर हर दिन रेडियो पे मैथ सिखाया जाता है।
क्या सच्ची डोरेमोन? मुझे बिल्कुल यकीन नहीं हो रहा है।
हाँ नोबिता, इतना ही नहीं, इस शो की खास बात है कि मैथ को कहानियों की मदद से सिखाया जाएगा। तो सुनना मत भूलना, हर दिन सुबह 9 बजे, दोपहर 1 बजे और शाम 7 बजे मैथ्स ऑन रेडियो ऑन 107.8 FM मस्त रेडियो।
थैंक यू डोरेमोन।
Maths on Radio, a program catalyzed and supported by National Council for Science and Technology Communication, Department of Science and Technology, New Delhi.